Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox Mi Band 5. .1 inch colorful screen, water resistant up to 50 meters streaming stroke recognitions, heart rate and stress monitoring, female physiological cycle recording. Okay, in this box, multi-spot modes tracking, magnetic charging, all-day sleep tracking, 14-day battery life. Now let's take a look of the back of the model specification. Okay, now open the box. Mi Band 5. Magnetic cable or charging cable. Manual book. Okay, total 3. Now take a look of the Mi Band 5. Okay, you can select 3 language from the band watch. Still prefer Chinese, traditional Chinese or English. Okay, we need to pair first. Okay, now let's try the magnetic cable. Open the cable. The package of the cables. It's magnetic and USB port. USB. Okay, now we prepare a power bank. Plug it in. Plug into the Mi Band. Okay, now the Mi Band is charged. Great. Okay, let's plug out now. Okay, this is the setting. Okay, now we're gonna pair it. Okay, now open the Mi Fit apps. You can download it from Google Play Store or iOS Apple stores. Now go to the plus icon. Go to press the plus icon and then press the band. Let's agree. Remember, bring your band close to your phone. Okay, you accept the pair request on your band. Okay, pair successful. Okay, now let's see the function. Design band displays, customize shortcuts, remote shooting control, 11 kinds of activities, suffer from stress. Okay, the functions let you to calculate your stress level. Okay, now go to the store. Okay, here's how to change the background of your Mi Band. Okay, for now just find a simple background. Okay, I will choose style 3. Okay, you can change the font colors. Blue color, I prefer white lah for me. Okay, now press the cinch was face. Can you do it at a moment? Okay, it's almost since finish. Okay, finish scene successfully. Okay, now let's. Okay, now Wait, now we go back to outside to see the app's features. Okay, this is the shortcut settings. You can set from here you want to add it or anything. I won't change anything for now. Okay, now you set, okay, this is the wall clock. You can add any city to it so you can watch the world international time on your Mi Band. Okay, for example, you can choose, okay, KLL or Sing or New York or what. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, now go to see the statues of your NSTIC. Okay, because this I haven't wear this band, so don't have any history or what. Okay, this you know your actual location. Okay, now have a look. The background we changed just now. Statues, distance, calories, idle alerts, today, yesterday. Okay, this is the day, and then PAI heart rate, notification, stress, breathing, events, weathers. This is in Fahrenheit. Oh. Okay, the UV very strong. Wine level 3. Workout, outdoor treadmill cycling, indoor cycling, walking, and then so many yoga, jump rope, swimming, pool swimming, freestyle. There are total 11 activities at the mall. Okay. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos or tutorial, and share my videos. Thank you.